Hello, I'm Bruno Orizio, independent designer and creative director. Welcome to my Awards Academy masterclass on creating epic e-commerce experiences. Crafting memorable e-commerce websites is more than just delivering what's on the design brief. I will take you through my entire workflow, from concept to production level design. Throughout my 12-year experience in the design industry, I've partnered with brands such as Facebook, Adidas, Samsung, Toyota, and Gatorade, and I've learned lots of things that I cannot wait to share with you. Awards are like fashion shows. The websites that are awarded every day have something that makes them truly unique and stand out from the crowd. Creating memorable experiences is, in other words, to dictate trends from catwalk to high street. In this masterclass, we'll define the art direction for a brand, photography style, discuss typefaces, and the importance of motion in conveying ideas. Collaborating is at the heart of working independently, so I will share with you tips on how to nurture relationships with different creatives and use design as a conductor among different disciplines. So sign up and let's get started.